Muvhango Azwi Rambuda pregnant. Muvhango Azwi Rambuda pregnant, shows baby bump photos. The lady who plays the role of model turned royal bride and fifth wife of Chief Aswindani is not only a real-life princess, she has the cutest little family too. The student, actress, and singer has a little girl with her husband, and she just announced that she is expecting her second child with her husband. Azwi took to Instagram sharing her happy news with cute photos showing off her growing baby bump. "The journey ahead is exciting," she captioned one of the photos. "Congratulations to the happy couple."